এবছরের 1 এপ্রিল 90 বছরে পা রেখেছে রিজার্ভ ব্যাঙ্ক অফ ইন্ডিয়া অর্থাৎ আরবিআই। আর এই 90 বছরের সুদীর্ঘ যাত্রা উদযাপন করতে সারা বছর ধরেই দেশ জুড়ে নানান অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজন করেছে আরবিআই। এরই অঙ্গ হিসেবে অল ইন্ডিয়া পাবলিক সেক্টর স্পোর্টস কন্ট্রোল বোর্ডের সহযোগিতায় কলকাতায় অল ইন্ডিয়া পাবলিক সেক্টর ফুটবল টুর্নামেন্টের আয়োজন করে আরবিআই। 3রা আগস্ট টুর্নামেন্টের উদ্বোধনে প্রদর্শনী ম্যাচ অনুষ্ঠিত হয় আরবিআই এবং ইস্ট বেঙ্গলের মধ্যে। উদ্বোধনী অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত ছিলেন আরবিআই এর ডেপুটি গভর্নর টি রবিশঙ্কর।
Over the years, since before independence, since 1935 when Reserve Bank was established, it has managed to create and hold on to a reputation of being a professional organization, an organization which is committed to the development and growth of this country, and an organization which is trustworthy. Throughout its history, the functions have kept on getting added, and Reserve Bank has been at the forefront of all the changes that our economy has seen, whether it's monetary policy, whether it's currency management, whether it's debt management, whether it's debt reserve management, or whether it's payment systems. It has always held its own and been recognized, not just within the country, but globally, as a highly efficient, professional and successful organization. As we have entered into our 90th year, it is important for all of us to recognize that it is incumbent upon all of us to ensure that the reputation Reserve Bank has continues into the future, particularly at this junction of time when India is aspiring to be counted among the developed countries in the world. The responsibility that falls on us is that much more serious. So while we are celebrating Reserve Bank at 90, we have already charted out a path, a short-term, relatively short-term path of Reserve Bank at 100. We have identified the tasks that we need to take upon ourselves in the interest of the development of the country, and we all have to work very hard towards that. While we recognize those responsibilities on us, and those responsibilities are substantial, we must also take this opportunity of Reserve Bank of India's 90th year to strengthen the resolve that we have displayed throughout our history to improve a sense of togetherness in the financial sector, and within Reserve Bank of India to add to the sense of fellow feeling and brotherhood that we have always had. A lot of events are being organized. Not all events are academically rigorous or professionally rigorous for a central bank. We have organized many global seminars. They are going to be unfurled as we go further down the year. But we have also organized many other events. And the basic objective of organizing these events is to ensure that the functions that Reserve Bank is doing, that the responsibilities that Reserve Bank has in nation building are known across the country. We have organized quiz shows that will cover colleges across the country. We have organized sports events across the country. We have organized an inter-public sector football competition in Kolkata. Now, all of you know Kolkata is the home of football in India. I'm from Bhubaneswar. I still remember when I was in school, following the Kolkata Football League extremely closely. I had my favorite team among the top three, which is Mohammedan Sporting, East Bengal and Mohun Bagan. And I used to feel almost like a personal victory or a personal loss when the team I was supporting won or lost. And this happened over a period of years.
রিজার্ভ ব্যাংকের পাশাপাশি সেল, ভেল, কোল ইন্ডিয়া, ইউনিয়ন ব্যাংক, ক্যাগ, ইপিএফও, ইএসআইসি, এফসিআই, ইন্ডিয়ান অয়েলের মতো সংস্থাও এই ফুটবল টুর্নামেন্টে অংশ নেয়। এইসব সংস্থার উচ্চপদস্থ কর্তারাও উপস্থিত ছিলেন উদ্বোধনী অনুষ্ঠানে। টানা 7 দিন ধরে চলছে এই অল ইন্ডিয়া পাবলিক সেক্টর ফুটবল টুর্নামেন্ট। নিউ টাউনের ন্যাশনাল সেন্টার ফর এক্সিলেন্সে সমস্ত ম্যাচ অনুষ্ঠিত হচ্ছে। আজ অনুষ্ঠিত হচ্ছে সপ্তাহব্যাপী চলা এই টুর্নামেন্টের ফাইনাল ম্যাচ।